Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a link for your PDF file. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open Google Drive on your device. You can do that on your PC and laptop as well using a web browser. But if you're using a phone, then download this application. Once you download it, open it, and then here you will find your account. So you need to sign in with a Gmail account. So once you do that, all you need to do is to now tap on the plus sign here and tap on upload. It will give you access to your gallery or the storage on your device. From here, if you tap on the three lines, you can change the folder. You can either go to the downloads or anywhere that the file is existed on your device. So I need to upload this one. Suppose if I tap on this, all you need to do is to tap on upload. So this document will be uploaded. As you can see right here, it has been uploaded. Now, if I want to share the link, just tap on the three dots here. All you need to do is to tap on share here. And here you will see manage access, not share. You need to tap on it. And here you need to tap on change. Then it is restricted. If you tap on it, anyone with link. Once you do that, so if they're only the viewer, you can leave it like that. But if you want them to be the editor, you can select this one. So once you change all the settings, you need to go back and now tap on the three dots right next to it, and then copy the link from here and share it with the person that you want. So guys, this is how you can create a link for your PDF file. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.